why did you just feel like yawning? Just by hearing the word. Yawning is linked to your brain's mirror neurons, which help you copy other people's actions. When you see or even think about someone yawning, your brain automatically imitates it. This is also connected to empathy, which is why yawning spreads more between people who are close to each other. But here's the crazy part. Even reading about yawning can trigger it. So your brain is basically copying others, without you realizing it. Be honest. Did you yawn while watching this? Yes or no?